Hey guys, as you guys know, I recently attended a reptile expo, and I did pick up another reptile, and this so happens to be a gecko, as you can tell, a leopard gecko to be specific, and even more specific, a blizzard leopard gecko. Now, first things first, I know you guys are gonna say, well, some of you guys are gonna say, oh, he's on sand, don't keep him on sand. Well, I just want to start off saying that it's not calci sand, so he probably might just eat it. He won't be just eating it. And secondly, I do not feed him in the tank unless it's mealworms. Then I might put them in his calci dish, which is over there. But for the most part, I feed my my leopard gecko in a shoebox or a little tiny container, and that reduces the chance of impaction quite a bit. So here, I'm gonna lift this rock. That's where he's hiding. It's not actually a rock, but alright, there he is. He is 6 weeks old. Well, maybe 7 weeks old now. So he's still a baby. I'm guessing it's a he, but it's too young to tell. As he gets older, then I'll probably have a better chance of sexing him. But for now, I'm just gonna call it a he. I'm pretty sure it's he. That's what the breeder said, but he said you can't really tell, and you can't because they're so young. So he's got the typical setup. He's got a water dish there, got a little rock there. I elevate it slightly so that he can crawl under and kind of use it as a cool side hide. And then that little hut is his warm side hide. And there's his calci dish, and that's about it. Oh, and currently his diet, I'm feeding him mealworms and crickets. So far, mainly mealworms. I know it's not good because he is a juvenile and the shells are hard to digest, but you know, it's debatable. Though I am probably gonna make a staple diet on crickets, and probably secondary will be mealworms with the occasional waxworm for a treat. So there he is. I just fed him. Still kind of skittish, but he lets me hold him sometimes. Alright, so there he is. Still really tiny. Alright, hope you enjoyed the vid.